I love us. With rhythm that sachets through the diamonds that shimmer at the meeting of my thighs. From iridescent melanation that cloaks me from head to toe. Glamorous, fabulous, magnificent, the stuff that gets you addicted real quick. Legs, face, hips, heels, smooth, silky drips, empowered, determined, you know, the real deal. I am blackity black on black, empowering this black boy to do good violence. With rhythm and articulation that vibrates even the most silent of souls. Like gods and goddesses, we create havens where we share our creation, share some reconciliation of worlds known and unknown. I love us. I love us. I love me. I love you. I love us.